Here is the helicopter coming in for pickup. He's about 200 feet outside my window. He drops down the chain to pick up these things. He's already made about 7 or 8 trips already. And he takes it up to the top of the building, some building somewhere. I really don't know. But yes, it was interesting to look out my window this morning to see a large helicopter swinging through, and you can see the guys just strapped on the chain to the fan, and now he's picking it up. This video isn't doing it justice, but like it looks like the guys like right outside my window. So yeah, and then he will fly away somewhere. And he's got liftoff, and away he goes. Bye.